Okay guys, welcome. Let me know if you hear me good. Sorry for any delay. So we got 12 July, Sunday, rabbit hole session. We break down geopolitics a bit, and rest of the stuff is like a usual, macroeconomics and technicals. How are you doing today? Today's stream is earlier, as mentioned on Thursday. I was recording break and retest. I'm sorry, not break and retest, support and resistance video. I need to record psychological levels, market session, and macroeconomics calendar. And we got all for the beginner stuff. That will be done with Polish. Then I will go for intermediates. We'll continue it with English and at least advanced stuff. There is a announcement. I'm also bought promotion on YouTube. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, we'll see how we evolve with new members. Christian, not bad, chilling. I'm off till Wednesday. Why you off? You get a break or vacation, or maybe some private stuff? Let me know if you need any help. I'm here anytime you need me. Oh, thank you. I appreciate your message, Christian. Yeah, I will call you on the private message. I work 4 days off, so I'm in my days off. Okay, I understand now. Okay. So you got more time for the charts. Of course, that playlist for advance and stuff like that will be not drop this week or next week. I need more time. I will build it slowly. I also get I also had my private stuff, so I'm trying to be in trading as much as I can, and I'm trying to do full effort from my side. In the future will come things like psychology tool for the entry and things like that, but main focus now is here. Okay, so at Friday president say there is no long Fire is over. And during the weekend we got several news on the financial juice. There is a very good page to check the geopolitics, because there is a short notice about most important news, and that most important news are marked in red color. So you see there is a lot of information during the weekend about it. We still can't see any case fire now. It's expand, it's evolve. Day is not over, so before market open everything can change. But for now they are not in peace anymore. Strait of Hormuz is closed, I guess. And yeah, we'll see what happened till end of the day before market open. I will update you for sure before market open. Let's go to the calendar. If you have some question, you can, of course, you can put it now on the chat. I will slowly move to the calendar and look at the chat so we can back here if you have any question. Monday. Low impact from FOMC, but yeah, we don't need to care about it much. So let's treat it as no news from macroeconomics. Tuesday is CPI. 10 minutes before CPI we get bonus session as always for the main event. So be prepared. Monday can be consolidation or pullbacks into main area for CPI. Market just creates structure for CPI outcome. So be mindful of that. Tuesday, yeah, I like CPI at Tuesday because it's not far away in a week. It's at the beginning of the week, so after CPI we can guess where week want to go. Market already dropped 200 pips from where it closed. We'll see if it stays. How you know market drop already? How you know that? It's interesting information. Where you check it? Cool markets 24/7. Can you send me link to it? I will show it on the live stream. You can drop it on the Discord. I can't find it. I don't want to spend a lot of time to research. So I will be glad if you send it. Thank you, Christian. So Tuesday CPI, Wednesday PPI at the same hour, New York Open. Thursday, unemployment claims as always. And Friday, consumer sentiments. Okay, so week is full of macroeconomics news. The most important is here at Tuesday, and the rest of it are mid-impact. Tuesday, so let's start from the beginning. Monday, no news. Tuesday, high impact. Wednesday, mid-impact. Thursday, mid-impact. And Friday, mid-impact. But every day something. Let me know if this is clean for you, and we go for the technical side. All good. Okay, we can move ahead. Okay, but look. This is a screenshot 45 minutes before market close, I guess, or oh, you can trade in weekend. Gold is in indices. Okay. So that was the move. No, wait. Wait, I need to compare it to the chart. One hour. 1 hour. $20 here, 20 here, move to the upside, move to the upside. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, they drop somewhere here. Okay. Okay, I got you. Last week we talked about the zones. That was the 4-hour range for buys and daily range for sells. Market never tapped the daily range, the daily premium. We just go down out of daily trap candle. Structure is holding by the EMA 20 now on daily chart. That was also 50% fib level, 50% trap candle, market react to the downside. We got two zones, higher for sells, lower for buys. Market tap into lower zone, That was 4 hours, so rules 15 minutes break of structure. First here, but market swept the low, and second here on that candle, and market moved to the upside. I sent another zone if someone missed it. That was here. I prefer to use pending order from that zone because that was set up for Asia. A lot of people usually sleep during the Asia because most of us living in Europe. So a lot of people sleep during the Asia. That's why I prefer pending order here. Last week I explained how I'm playing pending orders. If you open one position just top of the zone, stop loss a bit below the bottom, and target depends on you. Overall that was 1 to 4, almost 1 to 4, almost 1 to 3.5. Then I sent another zone at Thursday. Market tap into it and also react to the upside. If you play pending style, pretty clean, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So 3 clean setups on gold last week. Let's see how it can open, because now we are rejected by the counter trend lines here. From data I can see now next to my eyes break of structure. To be honest, I want to see some pullback and go. I know geopolitics doesn't help us because gold don't like conflict on Middle East. Oil like that conflict. Oil fly during the conflict. Gold doing opposite as usual, because when on the world when conflicts begin, gold usually going up, but on the Middle East, gold just going down. So we'll see. I just want to see pullback for the volume, grab the volume and move to the upside, break up this counter trend, maybe do some pullback and go higher. That's the technical side, you know. From the geopolitics I can't be sure, but I'm analyzing now technicals, not geopolitics. So if I need to do the analysis, I will do it like this. There is liquidity. That was the old one. So that's the analysis. If we open with gap up, sweep all of this, pull back, and continuation. That's what I see on gold. I will drop that chart on Discord. Might not be that important, but it's a good thing to keep in mind. Yeah, you're right. It can be not that important, maybe price in. If we see that news about Casefire is over, that drop on Friday, and look what happened. That was reaction to the downside, as expect, when conflict going to be more aggressive, gold usually drop, but it looks like a fake out. They just grab the zone we mark up on Thursday and build the trend to the upside slowly. So maybe everything is priced in and market just starts to ignore it, because you know they can be really exhausted about the situation on the Middle East. They can be really exhausted. I am also tired of it. If you remember, we got a news like this, markup on red every hour. That was 5-time change of president words during one day. So I guess everyone is done and market just do the technicals, just skip him. So I do the technicals analysis. That's my point of view on gold. Of course, TP1 should be here on 47, not that far away, but I leave it, I don't change it. Dollar, yeah. One to three, risk to reward, sweep that liquidity. We still got that one. Market pump to the upside. We'll see if this is pullback or just full reversal. I think that's a pullback. We can go to this zone. So I will still keep that position on break even. Maybe full close, it's gonna be 1-to-1 or something like that. But I will not hold it with stop loss, for sure. So dollar still possible going lower. I also sent chart earlier on. Depend on CPI situation, paying attention on that. Yeah. Yeah, very good analysis. Very good analysis. This is that counter trend line. We need to break it to the upside for go there. Very good analysis. Thank you. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Silver. Silver also got the EMA 20 above the candles. Return to the zone, but we break out that counter trend and support. That counter trend sweep from the resistance into support. So silver is still possible about go higher. We mark up that setup on live session at Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, that was CPI. That was FOMC session at Wednesday, and I still believe we can go higher. Let's mark up the piece. Oh, we already hit that TP1, so after market open you can go break even. It's already 1 to 1.5. TP1 is 1 to 2. TP2 1 to 4.5 almost, and TP3 1 to 6.5. After market open you can just instantly go break even or manage your trade as you want, but I recommend to manage that setup for sure. When we get to this zone, maybe some sells, bigger sells. You know, CPI is on Tuesday this week, so Monday can be slow, and Tuesday CPI gave us direction, downside or upside. We'll see. I don't want to speculate now. S&P is about to hit the full target also from here. That is 1 to 3. Another zone also is going to be 1 to 3. So 2x 1 to 3 on S&P. We got break even here. I move stop loss to the break even, never tapped. We got new zone, market bounce out of new zone and going for all-time highs. All-time highs is here. And this is on the good path to sweep the all-time highs. And maybe after sweep all-time highs, some pullback and continuation higher. Unless there is clear movement, I will stay away tomorrow. Yeah, I don't like Mondays in the past. I don't like trading in Monday in the past, but I change it when I start playing market open. Now we had all idea just running. Only what you need to do is manage. So dollar is running. What you can do, you don't need to enter it, just manage your position from last week. Gold had a new zone for the pullback or after breakout, but silver is also about manage the position. S&P 500 is about manage the position for the break even. Euro still don't want to tap our zone, so I leave it. Maybe it's falling down from where it's at now, I don't know. We got the counter trends liquidity here, so there is possible to break it to the downside, retest and go. But I'm not touching euro. There is enough assets to trade for risky ones. We don't need to trade risky ones. GBP. We got zoned here, GBP swap it. I think I will also stay away from GBP, because look, daily is looking like pure sells. Daily is looking like pure sells. Maybe somewhere here. But we need to check what hide on the lower time frame, and 1 hour can push to the upside, so I'm also not touching GBP. Let's leave it. Swiss franc. Return to the entry side. That was 1 to 2 risk to reward, nothing crazy. 1 to 3.5 was full target. So what now? Hard to say, because sales fib are reached. "30-minute candle break of structure, 15-minute candle break of structure." It's a risky one for sure. I'm not touch it probably. big. Is it worth? Yeah, it's worth. It's worth, but it depends how market open, because if market open above the zone, I will not interesting in sales anymore. If market open below the zone, I will looking for the pullback and continuation to the downside. So it depends how market open will looks like. But for now, I'm more on the sell side. So this is Swiss franc. Oil. Almost up 50%. With oil, I want to see continuation, just where it's at now. Maybe we sweep that week. You know, maybe we sweep that week and go down, but I'm still downside on oil. I know we got all of that geopolitics news, and it can mess a lot with technical analysis. Maybe you call me crazy, but yeah, I'm playing against geopolitics. So after liquidity sweep, stop above that highs, or from where is that now, just open it, stop above this week and target. We'll see what happened on oil. We also got that idea from Wednesday during the FOMC. That was 1-to-1, nothing crazy. Yeah, it's almost 1-to-1 now. You can manage it, just break even and re-enter if they hit you out with break even. When you see confirmation after break even, maybe you will open it again, but for being safe, break even is the best now. And crypto. If looking good, resistance, support. We are dealing with resistance now. Let's see if they can break it to the upside or pulls back to the support. Overall, for the long term, I just see three scenarios. One, go from where is it now. Second, consolidate inside that zone. And third, lowest chance, sweep the 800 and go upside. That was funny because we never deep below 1.5k. We just bounce out of 1.5k. 1.5k is that gray line, and we just almost tap it and bounce to the upside. Weekly looking good. Take out that effort, consolidate, build the accumulation. Yeah, weekly candles looks good. Maybe something like here. So if still in the good spot for long-term buys, full target 4.5k, because that was the zone of resistance, and this is the zone of the support on ETH. And last, Bitcoin. What a mess. Yeah, we got the zone higher. I'm draw lower zone. I said I'm not touching Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really toxic, so I don't want to trade Bitcoin. Nah, I skip Bitcoin. I don't want to spend energy for analyze it. I will not play it anyway, so it's not worth to spend energy on it. Yeah, let me know if there is some question. We got 3 minutes for the question, and we finish today's session. Oh, I'm sleepy. No energy for living. Me too, I think go sleep 1-2 hours so I can be up for the market open. Yeah, I'm not sure if I go sleep during the day, because when I take a nap, I always, when I want to take a nap, I set deadline time max 1 hour, and that 1 hour become 2 or 3 hours. Then I had a lot of energy and I can't sleep at night, so I'm not sleeping during the day. I'm also facing with insomnia last time, so yeah, I definitely not sleeping during the day. Maybe when I'm exhausted I will go to sleep earlier today, we'll see. Easiest way to analyze Bitcoin. But is it worth? This is daily time frame. So imagine how long you need to hold it to hit that target. 1 to 4. Not worth for me. Bitcoin is not worth. For me it's okay because I'm off another 2 days. Nice. I will get more time after actual week. Because the uncle I'm working with, besides trading and stuff we're doing here, is going for the vacation, so I got 2 weeks off. 2 weeks off. Can I from 18 to really I can't put it forward. From 18 to 2nd August. 18 July to 2nd August. Yeah, so more time. I'm not going anywhere. I will sitting at home. I will help my parents to take care of their animals. They have some dogs, and my parents also going for the vacation during that time, so I'm just spend time with dogs. And I will try to record some video for the YouTube playlist. This week I want to finish that beginners stuff, and during the vacation I want to start another playlist with more advanced stuff, but I don't know if I finish it during that time or not. It depends on a lot of things, and I'm not the man who's hurry with everything, so yeah, I'm pretty slow. Personally, I'm scared to trade Bitcoin again. Got scared 2 times already. Break evenless. Not trusted. Yeah, I'm not trading Bitcoin, but if you want to, there is a swing idea. Is it worth to play? I don't think so. This is daily candles. So you need whole week or even more to hit the 1 to 4 risk to reward. Maybe during the CPI that's gonna be one candle, but I'm still not sure if that setup is worth. I will not even share it on the Discord. If you want to trade it, let's go, but maybe with smaller stop above that highs. Oh, that's gonna be 1 to 7.5. It changed everything. With smaller stop loss, yeah, it's looking cool with smaller stop loss. But with that regular one, depends on that week, on that structure, it's not worth, definitely not worth. Nice, I go in Italy in 20 for 2 weeks. I can't wait. Oh, everyone. I mean everyone, you know, it's not everyone, but a lot of people I know going to holiday at 20th July. My uncle, my parents, my friend, you, Christian. Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 people I know going for the vacation during that time. Yeah, cool. People sometimes need to take out the stress from their self. Vacations are good for it. You can reset your mind, forget about a lot of things, be happy with your free time, and leave all the problems far away. Of course, it's not the solution, because if you treat it as a solution, it's gonna be like a running out from problems. But yeah, it's good, like a reset, recharge the battery. Yeah, it's not very warm this time. From August it falls, so it will be better. I don't know how weather in Poland goes. Let's check it. $60 now. Oh man. Raining Monday. It's raining today. Yeah, I see behind the window. Outside it's raining. It's raining today. Tomorrow on Monday also they forecast rain. At Tuesday storm, and then we go around 25 degrees. For me it's the best temperature, 25 degrees. I don't like when it's go higher, around 30 or 35 or even 40. It's really too much for me. I like 25 max. And they forecast 25, around 25 for that time till 2nd August. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Vacation start with rain. Everything can change with the weather. I'm not trusted anymore. The weather can change every hour. Also on the forecast. So I'm not trusted too much with long term. I like to look through the window and then I see what happened on the outside. Weather same as Trump, yeah. Okay, we start with charts and we finish with talking about weather. So when people start talking about weather, then it's a sign for a lot of people the conversation is boring. So maybe it's time to stop. Yeah, I'm kidding, of course. I'm kidding. Head and shoulders. Let's leave it. I can't see any question, so I hope you get some value from today's session. I want to say thank you for being here with me today. I wish you the great rest of the day. Be careful on the market open. If any important news hit before market open, I will let you know on the Discord. You also can ask me everything you want on the Discord. We see again at Tuesday, 10 minutes before CPI, and then 5 p.m. CST regular session. So yeah, that's all, guys. That's all. Take care, guys. Take care. Bye bye.